He's obviously not waiting for the lights.
What the?
That is just so fucking impatient.
Come on. Sweet.
As well as a few other categories. They are seated much like any team would be in.
And we're currently about to move into our election year coverage with Octavia Butler's Parable of the...
And soon at Finder's best rated mattress brand, OMF.
Open 7 days. Geelong Gate Homemaker Centre, Princes Highway, Corio. More time at home means bigger power bills. Or does it? This is the perfect time to switch your home to solar, city to city.
You often hear about the ones that got away. But funnily enough, the Great Northern originals never do. An Instagram
That was a red light.
brought to life by Great Northern.
What in the fuck are you doing?
Oh wow.
That was really heavy.
It's already there. Thank you, you fucking idiot. Mate, it's a red light.
And you know what time it is. Our shitbag titty fuck of the week goes to the one and only...
You fucking idiot. You fucking clown.
You fucking donut.
As of this instant, Junior, we're in hot pursuit.
red light. I know, right? Oh no, he went through a red light. Are you serious? Why? Why would you do that? Look at this guy. Fuck me dead. Are you serious? Another one. Oh my god! There's no one behind me, you. Oh shit. Hey! Fuck me dead! Jesus Christ! This one. Oh my god!
Wednesday. To you, is it early in the week or almost the weekend? Is it brisket or burger?
Between them, Trump has already said the NBC moderator is terrible and unfair. He's also released the full video of a chat he had with 60 Minutes 3 days before it was due to go to air. A 12-year-old's in serious condition.
So good. Friday afternoon. Kiss has got you with an Oscar anthem 112. Dance with me. We are live around the world's best city. Kiss 106.5 is Sydney's #1 music station. We're minutes away from crossing to our LA studio. Kiss FM Los Angeles with the Kiss Mix with DJ Triple XL. Stand by. Oh, by the way, the presidential election debate is going down. The final one. Details in Kiss News next.
They've always had a raw and honest relationship. Have you seen Nicole?
Kyle, come on, tell the truth.
I didn't see it.
You've gone all red now.
That's just homeless.
They're all doing it. Yeah.
That's why I got that place
it's
in
legalised.
California, Brooklyn, just so you know.
Yeah.
To set the records.
Hey, this is Eli from Waterloo, Sydney's #1 hit music station, Kiss 106.5.
At roundabout, take second exit.
Oh, nice, mate.
Million people voted before today, which could delay counting, and the result, the president has promised to only call himself.
Fuck me! Fucking go now, you fucking bitch. Fucking use your head next time you mob.
Bye, honey. See you
Here's
soon.
Cat's Bubble. We want to win more money an hour away. We'll put Bubble Boy in the money machine. See if we can give a heap of money away there.
Push people into poverty.
Now's the time to listen. Search Breaking Poverty Podcast and listen for free by downloading the Podcast One Australia app.
Podcast One.
So as we go live across our harbour city, you're hanging with Kiss 106.5, Sydney's #1 hit music station, and might be feeling a bit on edge about the whole election.
Coming soon to West Gosford, the specialised four-wheel drive team will help you prepare for your next adventure. Exciting things are coming your way. Opening October 19.
Apply. Approved private and avian applicants only.